Hello, YouTube family. Listen, I wanted to stop and remind you, today's the day. Today is the day. You know why? Because today is the day that you get to make some actually pretty good decisions. Here's why. A lot of times people forget. They get caught up in their day-to-day. So I'm going to remind you. That's right. Today's Amazon Day. If you didn't know that, oh my God. Tremendous savings. Don't buy shit from me, guys. I don't need your 3 cents a frickin' per $100 you spend. Okay, but what I do need you to do is use some common sense. All right, so check it out. Today is a great opportunity to buy Christmas gifts. The prices will never be lower. They'll be lower today than they will be on Black Friday. They'll be lower today than the day after, Thanksgiving? Maybe that's Black Friday, I don't know. But here's the other thing too. You don't necessarily got to buy from Amazon, okay? Walmart is having blowout sales. I'm not a Walmart affiliate, so there you go. Let's see what else. Jackery is having like 30% off. There are so many sales going on today so that people will compete with Amazon that they're just throwing the money out. Today's the day, guys. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create some links down below for those people that are interested in the Amazon stuff. I've got a link for Jackery, but I'm not a Walmart affiliate. I'll just put like walmart.com or something like there, and you can go find whatever out of that place. Definitely do it. If there was any one day of the year to use your credit card, today is the day. All right, guys. I got to get back to work. Stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.